So how will I save more than one values in Python? For that, there is a concept of Python collection data types. Today we are going to talk about one of the collection data types, that is known as list. First one is lists, second one is tuples, third one is dictionary, and the fourth one is sets. These are the four different types of Python collection data types. Today we will concentrate on list. Hash is for writing a comment. So we are going to talk about lists. So I will write hash lists, and also I can give this as a title. I'll write hash lists. Click on this drop down. You see there is an option of heading. Click on this. Click on OK and press Control Enter. I gave this as heading. Before I proceed to the list, I will go back to the PPT and help you understand about Python collection data types. There are four Python collection data types, as I mentioned: lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Now, lists are mutable. That means I can change the values in the list. Mutable, immutable. List is mutable. I can very well change the values in the list. I'll show you that. The purpose of list is to hold the sequence of values like age, gender, etc. To create a list, we will require a square bracket, something like this. I have to create a list using a square bracket. Let's see that how it works. Let's say I want to write the ages of all of you guys. Done. So I created a list. You see that I applied a square bracket. Inside that, I put all the values. Let me check ages. It is there. A list is created. If you want to check the type of it, it is a list. So this is how we can create a list, by passing a square bracket. Now question arises, I want to fetch the first number. Every programming language has its own indexation. In Python, indexation starts with 0. So if you want to fetch the first value, I have to write 0. Second value 1, third value 2, and so on. List and arrays both are different, Meenakshi. We'll talk about arrays in the future classes. There are a lot of difference between list and arrays. You can see that indexation in Python starts with 0. Also, the indexation of Python is reverse as well. For example, the last value, -1, -2, -3, and so on. For example, let me go to this list and I want to fetch number 18. What is the index of 18? What do you think, guys? I need responses from you. What is the index of 18? It will be 2. So ages square bracket 2. And you can see that it is giving me the output. Guys, don't use this. Don't play around with the annotate. Now, I want to fetch number 23. Tell me, what is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or can I say minus 2? Right? Because reverse indexation is also possible. So if I go with ages 10, I'll get 23. And if I write ages minus 2, I'll get 23 as well. So that is what I'm talking about here, reverse indexation. Let's take some more example so that it will be much clearer to you guys. I want to slice the value. Here we go. I want this one, this one, this one, and this one. All the four values together. Can you give a shot? What will be the slicing? What is the index of 30? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to fetch the value 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So to fetch the value 2, 3, 4, 5, I have to pass the index greater than 45. That means I have to slice entire this 2 colon 6. Why 2 colon 6? Because it will not, let me show you the example that will be more clearer. For example, here I have ages. I want to fetch these four numbers. What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 I want. You are saying put 3 colon 6. I am getting three numbers. What I am looking for? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I am getting this value, this value, and this value. I am not getting this value. Why? Because when we are slicing, this number will not participate. If you want to include this number, you have to add one more number, 3 colon 7. And now when I will execute, I'll get the number. So basically, when you want to slice, you see here, when you want the slice of this four numbers, you have to actually take one extra number as well. All right. So basically, if you want to slice four values, you have to give the index of the fifth value as well, because it is taking n minus 1. If n is 6, it will take till 5. Simple. If I use negative number, how it will work? Minus 5 colon minus 1. Let's check that. Here I am looking for what? These four numbers. What is the index? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. I want to start with minus 9. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Obviously, minus 6 will not give me the value of 22, right? Minus 6. It will give me three values. I am looking for this value as well. That means I want to write minus 5 as well. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So from minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. If you want this, you have to add one more value, which is minus 5. So that is how it will work. Also, let's take some more example. I'll ask you one question. What will be the output of What will be the output of this? Ages -1 colon -4. Muzalim, Muzammil is saying 23, 23, 23. What about others? Asta is saying 23, 23, 23. Arzu is also same. Kushal also same. Meenakshi also same. Abhilasha also same. All the answers are wrong. Now question arises why, right? Let's go back to the PPT. What will happen when we will write 6 colon 3 or -1 colon -5, right? So -1 colon -5. That is what the example I gave you, -1 colon -4. The direction is what? From right to left, right? The output will be an empty list. You can see that the output is an empty list. Question arises why? Because slice, when we are doing slicing, the default direction is from left to right. हम लोग जब स्लाइस करते हैं तो हमेशा लेफ्ट से राइट जाता है, बट अभी यहां तुम क्या बुला रहे हो? राइट से लेफ्ट जा रहे हो, राइट? द डायरेक्शन इज बाय डिफॉल्ट फॉरवर्ड, इट इज गोइंग बैकवर्ड. तो अगर आपको वैल्यू चाहिए तो यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू टेल पाइथन दैट मुझे पीछे जाना है. सो व्हेन यू वांट टू गो बैकवर्ड, -1 colon -5 colon -1 will help me to give the direction that go backward, guys. By default it takes +1. It is trying to go forward. -1 तो यहां पर है, बट -5 तो पीछे की साइड है, आगे नहीं है. That's why it is giving me an empty list. So always when we are slicing, the slicing is always be in the forward direction, but you are telling that go to the backward direction. So you have to tell Python that I want to go to backward direction, so write -1 as well. So here I have to write -1 as well, and you get 23, 23, 23. By default it takes 1, which is going forward and not able to find anything, so it is giving me 0 values. All right, so this is about the direction of the slicing. Always forward. If you want to make it backward, write -1. Colon defined this is like separator. -1 is the start point, colon -4 is the end point, colon this is the direction. Colon is like a separator. Now let me create a new list, which will consist of list of lists. For example, let's say languages. I can save string values as well in the list. All right. Let's say Kushal comes to me and he says that I know English and Hindi. So this is Kushal's entry. He knows Hindi and English. Then Harshal comes and says that I know only Marathi. Then Aishwarya comes to me and says that I know English and French. Asta comes to me and says that I know Hindi and English. Arzu comes to me and says that I know only Python. It's also a language, right? Now, I have languages list, which is a list of lists. Getting it? This is a list. How we know that? Because it is starting with a square bracket. You can check that. It is a list. But in this list, I have list of list as well, guys. इस लिस्ट के अंदर इंग्लिश का भी, इंग्लिश हिंदी वाली एक लिस्ट है जो कि कुशाल की है. मराठी एक इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू है, ये लिस्ट नहीं है. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट नहीं दिख रहा है अंदर, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट दिख रहा है. सो लिस्ट के अंदर एक और लिस्ट है, ये सिर्फ एक वैल्यू है. ये फिर से लिस्ट के अंदर एक और लिस्ट है, ये फिर से लिस्ट के अंदर एक और लिस्ट है, और ये भी लिस्ट के अंदर एक और लिस्ट है. सो इट्स अ लिस्ट ऑफ लिस्ट्स. अगर मैं यहां से वैल्यू देना चाहूं, पहली वैल्यू कौन सी है? इंग्लिश हिंदी. मैं कह सकता हूं कि इसका जो पहला वैल्यू है, इंडेक्स क्या होगा इसका? 0. सो व्हेन आई राइट 0, व्हाट विल आई गेट? I will get English and Hindi, because this is the first element of the list. This is the second element of the list. This is the third element of the list. This is the fourth element of the list. And this is the fifth element of the list. तो जब अगर मैं यहाँ पे लेता हूं 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, अगर मैं 4 करूंगा क्या होगा? It will give me Python. और इसका डेटा टाइप क्या है? It is a list. So when I check the type of this value, it is showing me a list, because ये list के अंदर है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर है. अब इसमें से भी मुझे, लेट मी टेक एग्जांपल, लैंग्वेजेस मैंने डाला ये वाला 0, 1, 2. आई विल गेट इंग्लिश एंड फ्रेंच. उसमें से भी मुझे फ्रेंच निकालना है. मैं कह सकता हूं ये लिस्ट है. इस लिस्ट के अंदर फ्रेंच का इंडेक्स क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द इंडेक्स ऑफ फ्रेंच? 1. So 1. Done. So when I go with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, Python will not show you string, Kushal, because it is in a square bracket as of now. अगर आपको ये string दिखाना है तो you have to go to 4. अब ये लिस्ट आ रही है, उसके अंदर 0. अब Python आ रहा है. अब अगर मैं टाइप करता हूं, अब ये string होगा. Getting it? जब भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर है चीजें, वो लिस्ट है. ब्रैकेट के अंदर जाके वो इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू को अगर मैं फेच करता हूं, देन इट इज अ स्ट्रिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल मराठी, मराठी डायरेक्टली स्ट्रिंग होगा, वो लिस्ट नहीं है. व्हाट इज द इंडेक्स? 0, 1. 1 पे चलते हैं. इट इज अ स्ट्रिंग, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट पासिंग दिस वैल्यू इन अ लिस्ट. So that is what I am talking about here. This is the index. I want to fetch this number. Tell me what is this? 2, 1. क्या वैल्यू आएगी? 0, 1, 2. उस 2 के अंदर भी 1 ले रहा हूं मैं. What will be the output? Output will be 4. Absolutely correct. Why 30? It will be 4. Index starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2. तो 34 आएगा, उसमें से 1, 4 आएगा. तो उसका इंडेक्स भी नहीं होगा कि होगा? मतलब हर्षल, इंडेक्स सबका होगा. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक इंडेक्स नहीं होगा. मराठी ये 0 है, इंग्लिश हिंदी 0 है, मराठी 1 है. सो व्हेन आई गो विथ language 1, you'll get Marathi. I hope this is clear to all of you. रिवर्स इंडेक्सेशन में क्या होगा? -5 अगेन 1, राइट? सिंपल. नाउ वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट कि जब मैं लिस्ट के अंदर अलग अलग वैल्यू स्टोर करता हूं, यहां पर अलग अलग वैल्यू है. जॉन इज अ स्ट्रिंग, ट्रू इज अ boolean, 20.5 is a float, 100 is integer, 4.0 is float again, false is boolean again, and 20 is integer again. So when we are saving the values in a list, it actually stores in its original data type. जबकि आप अरेज में थोड़ा डिफरेंट बिहेवियर देखोगे. When we will talk about arrays, you will see that in, like, it has different behavior altogether. So if I save, if I create one more list, let's say list 2, it consists of John, which is a string. We are passing in a square bracket, sorry, quotes. True, it's a boolean. 10.5, it's a float. 20, it's an integer. Let's check that. List 2. What is my John's index? 0. Want to check the type of it? It is a string, expected. True is the second value, index number 1. Type should be boolean. Let's check that. Yes. Third value is 10.5, which is a float. Let's check that. Index number 2. It is a float. And finally, the last value, which is index number 3, should be an integer. It is an integer. So basically, when we are saving the values in a list, it saves in its original data type. Now I can update the value in the list as well. Let's say I want to change this number 20 to 100. What is the index of number 20? Index is 1. So I want to update the value of index 1 in that list. So here, for example, I have list 2. I want to update the value of 10.5 to 0. What is the index of 10.5? 0, 1, 2. So the index of list 2 is 10.5, and I want to update this value to 0. Done. When I check that list 2, you can see that the value is updated to 0. Right? So you have to pass the index value and assign the value. Done. Reverse indexation we are already aware of. Same goes with it. If you pass -6 here, it will update the same value. What if I want to update multiple values? 30, 40, 45, and 20. I want to update all the 4 values. For that, you have to write like this. 3:7. 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously, I want to consider this. We already know that we have to give one extra value. So 3:7. So let's try to update this. I want to update true, 0, and 20. What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3. So I want to update 1:4 with, let's say, 20, 40, 60. Done. I want to update the value of index number 1, 2, and 3. So I have to give this entire value through 1:4. I know that when we write 1:4, then only 3 will participate, n minus 1. But here the interesting thing is, I want to update this same value again, but this time I want to do using reverse indexation. What is my reverse indexation? -1, -2, -3. So I will write -3 colon -1. But if I will write -1, then this will not participate. I cannot write 0 as well because 0 is John. What to do? I will just remove this. -3 colon. I am not giving any end value. Because if I give -1 as end value, then 60 will not participate. After -1, I cannot give anything. 0 means John. So I'm changing the direction. It will give me empty list. So I will not give any end value. Python will go till the end. Is equal to, update the values. Let's say true, false, true. You can see that values updated successfully. That means इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? List ages. We have a list called ages. I have these many values. What will happen if I write 3 colon? That means 0, 1, 2, 3. मतलब कि 21 से लेके एंड तक जाएगा. मैं एंड वैल्यू नहीं दे रहा हूं यहां पर, सिर्फ स्टार्ट वैल्यू दे रहा हूं. So it will go from 21 till the end. Similarly, if I go with ages and let's say I write :7, tell me the output. I want to know how many of you guys able to understand this. What will be the output here? I am not giving any start position, so obviously it will start from very start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will not participate. So answer will be 21, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23. Let's check that. No, 7. What is that? Sorry, indexing start with 0. Right, so 0, 1, where it is? It's not ages. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th will not participate, it will participate till this point. Getting it? So 21, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 22. This is the output. I hope this is clear to all of you till this point. So you can see reverse indexation. This is what the value is. Now, list consists of various functions, also known as methods. So I have a lot of functions associated with list. The first one is append. What is append? I have a list. I want to add a value with that list. It can be a single value or a list of values. Is what append is. मतलब कि एक लिस्ट के साथ मुझे कुछ और वैल्यू उस लिस्ट के अंदर डालनी है लास्ट में. That is append. For example, I have ages. मुझे लास्ट में नंबर 100 डालना है. डॉट अपेंड. अब आप यहां देखोगे, टैब करोगे, सो बेसिकली लिस्ट नेम डॉट टैब. टैब बटन दबाओगे तो यहाँ पे सारे के सारे मेथड्स आ जाएंगे which is associated with list. Python is an object oriented programming language as well. Age is an object. उसके associated कौन कौन से functions हैं या कौन कौन से methods हैं? These are the methods associated with list. पहला मेथड है append. मुझे append करना है नंबर 100 with the list. Ages done. You can see number 100 is appended at the end. और मैंने यहाँ पीपीटी में क्या बोला है? Can be a single value or a list. List will append as a list of list. For example, ages dot append. अब बिजनेस बोलता है कि मुझे मल्टीपल वैल्यूज डाल दो इसके अंदर. 1 2 1, 1 2 3, 1 2 4. अगर मैं ऐसे चलाऊंगा इट विल थ्रो मी एन एरर. Append takes exactly one argument 3 given. Append एक आर्ग्यूमेंट ले सकता है, तुमने 3 दिया है, तो उसको अगर मुझे एक की तरह पास करना है तो मुझे कैसे पास करना पड़ेगा, इसको लिस्ट की तरह बनाना पड़ेगा. नाउ दिस इज वन आर्ग्यूमेंट एंटायर. Execute this. Ages, you can see that it is a list of list. एक लिस्ट के अंदर एक और लिस्ट ऐड हो गई, right? So if I am using append and trying to add multiple values, I have to pass as a list, and that list will save as list of list. Now there are other methods as well which will help me to add multiple values as a values rather than list. I'll talk about that. Also, I can add values in between as well, so we'll come to that as well. Now append is, we are very much sure and very much aware of now that I want to add a value at the end, then I can very well use this. Then what is the next command? Clear. Clear is a simple, it will remove all the values and make it as an empty list. So when I put ages dot clear, execute ages, you can see that an empty list is created. मेरी सारी की सारी वैल्यू हट गई. Let me create this list again ताकि we can explore further. Okay, so clear is simple. Then copy. Now copy is also a command which obviously very much intuitive, very much we are aware of. It will create a copy. A new copy is created. So ages dot copy, and I'll save then ages 1. Let's check that. Ages 1, मेरी कॉपी बन गई. All right, so copy is created. Next, count. लिस्ट के अंदर दो सेम वैल्यू हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 00, मुझे उसका काउंट चाहिए. काउंट इज 2, राइट? सो यू कैन सी हियर, मुझे देखना है कि 22 कितनी बार आ रहा है. 1 2, 2 बार ही आ रहा है. एजेस डॉट काउंट 22, I am getting 2, right? So ages 1, you see that 22 I have 2 times. So this count is helping me to count the values. So I have to pass the value to get the count of it. I pass the value which is 22 to get the count of it. Simple. Extend. Now this is a command which is helping me to add multiple values. Always be a list, but save as individual elements. So age is an object. To call the function or to call the method, I have to put dot, then tab, then all the functions associated with list will come in. So when you want to call a method or a function of a list, you have to write like this. This is a syntax. Extend bracket. Let's say I want to add multiple values, 10, 20, 30. Execute, error is coming. Extend takes exactly one argument, 3 given. Obviously, I have to pass this in a list. Execute. But extend अब क्या करेगा? List of list नहीं बनाएगा. वो वैल्यू अपेंड कर देगा एज अ इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट. मतलब कि अगर मुझे लिस्ट के अंदर मल्टीपल वैल्यूज ऐड करना है, एक्सटेंड लगाओ, लिस्ट में पास करो, सारी की सारी वैल्यू एज अ इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट जाके सेव हो जाएगी लिस्ट के अंदर, जबकि अपेंड में ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था, अपेंड में एज ए लिस्ट ऑफ लिस्ट जा रहा था. दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग हियर, दैट इज द डिफरेंस. नाउ व्हाट एल्स वी हैव? इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स ऑफ फर्स्ट आइट्रेशन. इसका मतलब क्या है? एजेस 21 कितनी बार है? 1 2 3 4 बार है. एजेस डॉट इंडेक्स 21. 0 क्यों आया? बिकॉज उसने पहले आइट्रेशन का इंडेक्स बता दिया. सो बेसिकली इंडेक्स is giving me the index of first iteration of that element. 21 एलिमेंट था, उसके 4 वैल्यू थे, दिस 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 एंड दिस. उसमें से उसने पहले आइट्रेशन का इंडेक्स निकाल के दे दिए 0. व्हाट एल्स? इंसर्ट. कोई एक नंबर है, उसको मुझे बीच में डालना है. इंसर्ट द रिकॉर्ड्स एट एनी पोजीशन यूजिंग इंडेक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा एजेस लिस्ट है, मुझे यहां 21 और 22 के बीच में डालना है 130. I want to add 130 in between these two numbers. What is the index of 21? 0 1 2 3. मतलब कि मुझे इंडेक्स नंबर 4 पे 130 डालना है. सो एजेस डॉट इंसर्ट इंडेक्स नंबर 4 पे मुझे 130 डालना है. You can see that 130 is between 21 and 22. All right. Now pop. पॉप ने क्या किया? यहां कुछ तो वैल्यू थी, वैल्यू हट गई, मतलब कि कुछ तो डिलीट हो रहा है. Pop removes the last value from the list if index not provided, else it will remove the value of the index provided. मतलब देख लेते हैं. ages dot pop क्या बोल रहा है? pops remove the last value from the list if index is not provided. मैं इंडेक्स प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा हूं ब्रैकेट के अंदर. लास्ट वैल्यू क्या है? 23. एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. 23 आया, पीछे 3 23 थे, अभी 2 रह गए. फिर से चलाते हैं डॉट पॉप, फिर से 23 आया, अब एक ही 23 रह गया, मतलब कि वो 2 23 मैंने हटा दिए. So when I am not passing any index, then it is removing the last value of the list. But when I am passing the index, let's say मुझे 130 हटाना है, 0 1 2 3 फोर्थ इंडेक्स वैल्यू मुझे हटानी है. So I'll write 4. Execute 130, ages 133 हट गया. Right? So pop is removing the value from the list, where if you are not passing the index, it will remove the last value of the list. However, if you are passing the index, it will remove that value of that particular index. Now remove. अब remove का क्या काम है? Remove भी remove ही कर रहा है. Remove removes the value given in the command. मतलब देख लेते हैं. ages dot remove 21 लिख के देखते हैं क्या होता है. कुछ तो हुआ, पहला 21 हट गया, मैंने डाला 21 का जो पहला आइट्रेशन था उसने उसको हटा दिया. लेट्स से 18 डालता हूं, 18 का पहला और आखिरी आइट्रेशन एक ही है, तो इट शुड रिमूव 18. एंड इफ आई चेक दैट ages, you can see that number 18 is removed. So in remove I have to pass the value of the list, in pop I have to pass the index of the list. That is the difference, right? So when you want to, when you know the index of the value, you can use pop to remove it. When you know the value, you can remove through passing that value. What else? Reverse, simple. मेरी लिस्ट को रिवर्स कर देगा वो. रिवर्स मतलब एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट करेगा, सॉर्ट नहीं करेगा वो, रिवर्स करेगा. मतलब कि 23 लास्ट है, 23 फर्स्ट हो जाएगा. देख लेते हैं. ages dot reverse 23 till 17. It was 17 till 23. So it reversed the list. All right. What else we have? Sort. Sort क्या करेगा? By default to ascending order पे जाएगा, छोटे से बड़ा. Right? Sort ascending order. Let's check that. Ages dot sort. You can see that data is sorted ascending order. So this is how we can apply various methods of the list. All right. So this is the very first day of Python. This is what I wanted to talk about today. Any questions you have, you can very well ask. How to download Python, we already talked about. Kindly download it. I will share this code list with you guys. I'll share the GitHub repository in some time. And what else? Any questions you have, you can ask. Else I will save this file and upload that in the GitHub repository and share the link. And from here, click on new repository and you will get you can get a chance to create a repository. I already created this basics of Python. Click on this basics of Python repository and here click on 20. I already created a folder. You can create upload files and or you can create a new file. If you want to create a new folder, you can click here. You can get a chance to create a new folder. Let's say hi slash. So a new folder hi is created, right? I'm not creating it for now. And this is again getting recorded, so you'll get this upload file. Now where I want to upload the file in this 27 March 2020. I'll click on this folder, upload the file. Which file? I saved the file in downloads, which is the Jupyter notebook. Here we go. This file is now present and commit changes. And now here you can see basics of Python. This is the folder, and here we have this file which we discussed in today's class. So I'll share this link. You guys can use this for your practice, right? I'm pinging you guys this link. I'll ping this in the WhatsApp group as well. Okay. What if we need to count more than one number? We need to count more than one number as